Hello, welcome to Texture Myth. In this session, we will learn about one more opcode that is leave. So let's go through the program. So here we are writing the program in fully free format, and we have set few debug option, control option for debugging purpose, that is no debug IO and src stmt. Below to that, we have declared one variable, that is count variable of numeric type size 5. Okay, so here, like in our previous session, we see about the do while loop working. So we are using the same do while loop to understand the concept of leave opcode. Okay, so let's see. So here I'm setting the count value as 1, then we are iterating one loop on this condition. Here the condition is count is lesser than equal to 5. So it will check the condition and then it will directly display the count value. So here we are checking inside the loop, we are checking one condition using if opcode, that when it becomes 3, whenever the count become 3, it will we will use this leave opcode. So what it means, whenever as soon as the value become count value become 3, it will leave the loop. So whenever we are using leave opcodes, so it will directly came out of the loop without checking for the further condition. Okay, so once it become 3, it will directly came outside the loop. It will not proceed for the 4 and 5. So if there is any requirement where you want to terminate the loop suddenly on the basis of some condition, then you can utilize this leave opcode. If it is not 3, then it will proceed as it is expected. So it will go for the count plus 1, and then it will iterate as per the logic. But once it become 3, it will came out of the loop. So let's see how the output we are getting. So firstly we are getting 1, then 2, and then 3. So it becomes 3. Next time it will directly came outside the loop, because this time the condition is true. This condition becomes true, like if count is 3, so yes, it is 3. Once it is 3, then it said it will go inside the loop, this if statement, and it will directly leave the uh, this loop, right? So once it leave the loop, it will ignore the further conditions and directly came to line number 34 and just set the star INR equals to star out. So this is how we use this leave opcode to terminate any condition inside the loop. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will learn few more things. So thank you for watching Texture Myth.